In this video, we are going to see the attendance regularization in Zoho People. Attendance regularization helps to make any changes in attendance entry. To add attendance regularization, we have to make some initial changes in settings. So go to attendance and under settings, there will be an option for regularization. Go to regularization and we have to add an approval. Now let us see how to add approval here. Click this button. Here you can mention the name of the approval. Let me name it as attendance regularization approval 2. Here you can define the criteria or leave it as blank according to the requirement. To add a criteria, click the set criteria button. Suppose if I select designation contains service engineer, I have set the criteria as designation contains service. In this case, this regularization rule will be eligible for only service engineer. We can add any number of criteria by using the plus button here. Suppose if you don't want to define any criteria, you can remove the criteria here. Next comes the approval. To configure the approver level, click this configure approver button. Here it's showing reporting to single level. If single level of approval is required, then you can stop here. In case if you want to add multiple approver, click the plus button here and you can select the second approver here. Here it's showing this is the first level approver and this is the second level approver. We can add more approvals by using the plus button here. The last approver will be the final approver. If you want to enable the follow-up option, you can check this button. By default, an email template will be available. If you want to make any changes in the email template, you can click this button. Click the save button to save the approval. Now we have added attendance regularization approval here. To make any changes, you can use the pencil edit button. To remove the regularization, you can click the delete button. Now let me go to employee page. After configuring regularization in admin page, the employee can see this regularization option here. In case the employee wrongly updated the check-in time, then he can send an request to admin for regularization. Let me show how to do this. Go to my request, click the add request button. Here the employee can mention the date on which he needs the regularization and check-in time he can mention here. Suppose he want to change this time as 8:28 AM, select the time here and he can select the reason here. Under description he can type any short description, then click the submit button. So here we can see this is a regularization request sent by the employee just now. It's waiting for approval. Now let me go to admin page and check. Go to regularization, click my request. This is a regularization request sent by the employee just now. It's waiting for approval. To open this, click here. Here we can find the details about the regularization sent by the employee. The admin can either approve or reject this request. To approve this, click the approve button. In the comment section, we can type any comment and click the confirm button. Now this request has been approved by the admin. Now let us go to the user page and check. Let us refresh this page. See, now his request is showing as approved. If you have any doubt in this session, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.